St. Joseph's Degree and PG College was established in the year 1997 by the Hyderabad Archdiocese Educational Society. A co-educational Catholic Christian minority institution, the college functions under His Grace Most Reverend Tumabala, Archbishop of Hyderabad. The vision of St. Joseph's is to provide a distinct environment of excellence in education with humane values and social commitment. Core values: trust in divinity, foster integrity, acquire competencies, strive for excellence, serve the society.
Welcome to St. Joseph's Degree and PG College, which is located in King Koti, the heart of the city, Hyderabad. Now, let me show you this amazing campus. We have a peaceful atmosphere and very spacious classrooms which makes the students feel home and comfortable.
St. Joseph's was re-accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council with an A grade for its distinctive educational environment, human values, and social commitment.
The Commerce Department is the largest department of St. Joseph's College. It started from a single section and expanded to double sections. The department has adequate, well-qualified and competent faculty. It's a matter of great pride that we find a Josephite in every office or a firm holding a good position. Our Commerce Club ACE conducts all sorts of activities and fests. They recently conducted Comera 2K19.
Welcome to the Department of Computer Science. This is a hub of learning with a touch of experiential and practical exposure to the students. The department enhances students' knowledge by exposing them to the latest advancements in the field of technology and equip the students with the technical know-how. The department caters to the needs of all the programs across different streams. The faculty strongly believes in teaching innovatively and create an atmosphere for enriching the joy of computing for students. The college has well-equipped labs, one for software and the other for business analytics. At St. Joseph's, we believe our computer science programs should not only educate but also inspire you with the joy of computing.
Welcome to the Department of Physics and Electronics. Faculty members encourage students to use internet facility and other educational medium. The students are accompanied by teachers. They constantly upgrade themselves by attending workshops, seminars, symposia and conferences. We feel proud to say that all our students are employed in different fields like industries, IT, defense services, etc.
Welcome to the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. The department is provided with fully equipped lab that aims to provide students with improved methods of conceptualization. Various teaching modules and simulations have been set up to make the overall process of learning effective and joyful.
The Department of Mass Communication and Journalism enables the incoming students on mastering the tools of digital media technologies and audio-video production studios equipped with modern digital technologies provides the students knowledge on modern media production techniques. The Studio and Mass Communication Lab helps both BA and MA students to hold on their television production skills. St. Joseph's is one of the few colleges in Telangana that offers a 2-year MA program in journalism and mass communication. The vision of this program is to empower the students to meet the challenges of global media market.
Welcome to the Department of Psychology. Here, we work on developing the personality of the student, their understanding on emotions and interpersonal relationships, so that they can work on their communication skills. Overall, the department focuses on the mental well-being of the student. The psychology department is provided with various psychological lab experiments, inventories consisting of scales and questionnaires. This facilitates the students to achieve a better understanding of the theoretical concepts in psychology such as emotion, perception, memory, motivation, etc. The lab is equipped with various standardized inventories such as Raven's progressive matrices, 16 personality factors, Bhatia's battery of intelligence, and many more.
At the undergraduate level, the department offers 5 programs. In 2011, BBA, which is Bachelor's of Business Administration, was launched when college became autonomous. In the year 2019, there were 2 courses launched, which are BBA Honors and BBA Financial Markets in collaboration with National Stock Exchange.
The college offers 2 postgraduate courses approved by AICTE, Master of Business Administration with 12 specializations since 2001 onwards, with an intake of 180 students. Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management from 2020 onwards with an intake of 120 students.
Welcome to the Language Department. The Language Cell offers free resume consultancy and personal counseling for interview skills, common errors in English, soft skills, communication skills, etc. to the students. The cell is also a book lovers hub, offering a wide variety of books ranging from fiction to non-fiction. The English Literacy Club is what makes for a vibrant campus experience, taking learning beyond the classes.
Here we come to the Palace of Knowledge, the library of St. Joseph's Degree and PG College. Library has very vast collection of books. It believes in quote that says health indeed is wealth. To reach one's goal in life, sound health is as important as sound mind. Each student is provided with 4 library cards for their better success. Library exhibitions are conducted annually. There are several competitions conducted every year to develop the skills of students in different aspects. It is provided with reading room facility, and it also have a very good collection of several case studies. It is a center of knowledge management. It also has many more opportunities provided by OPAC and also has handouts, computer-based tutorials, etc.
So the great Greek philosopher Sir Aristotle said, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Here I am to share some of the learning and teaching practices followed in St. Joseph's Degree and PG College. Like we have bridge courses, value-added courses, and participative learning, experiential learning like field trips, industrial visits, internships, projects, and workshops. We also have on a regular basis assignments, guest lectures, paper presentations, and classroom presentations. Paper presentations, so the students of St. Joseph's are encouraged to present papers in international and national seminars regularly.
The college has been really sensitive towards the needs of the visually impaired and other special students just like me. The college provides various facilities like tactile paths, ramps, special washrooms, and the wheelchairs are available. For me, the overall environment is really accessible with the screen readers installed in the systems, and my faculty provides the soft copies of all the notes to me via mail or WhatsApp groups. It was a great experience, and everyone in the college was really supportive. My friends, my faculties, and everyone helped me a lot. So I really learned a lot of things which enabled me to a great extent.
College is known for its extensive, vibrant co-curricular activities structures. It includes seminars, guest lectures, and leadership development programs, etc., which helps you develop and inculcate many good qualities which might be required for your further future.
St. Joseph's gives the students the cutting-edge 360 degrees multi-dimensional learning experiences beyond the classroom. The campus is ever vibrant with its various academic club activities that builds enthusiasm among students to go beyond the curriculum to develop innovative ideas, creativity, and leadership skills. The major clubs of the college are Radio Club, Dil Se Josephites, Gazetari, the Print Club, Lumiere, Filmmaking Club, Icona, Photography Club, Club de Comercio, the Commerce Club, JELS, Joseph's English Literary Society, the English Literary Club, Power Bites, the Computer Club, the Science Club, the Maths Club, Parampara Club, and Psych, the Psychology Club.
Social consciousness and commitment are an integral part of a college vision. The extension program in the institution are organized to 5 basic units: National Service Scheme, Youth Red Cross Society, Social Joseph Responsibility, Joseph Green Group, and Women Empowerment Cell.
The campus cell of St. Joseph's Degree and PG College conducts a placement drive to recruit final year students every year to national and multinational companies. The best part of our placement cell is no student remains underemployed and unemployed. Every student gets placed based on their merit and competence in a company. St. Joseph's is the best place where recruiters pick up the best and the most talented candidates to serve their establishment. Our students have been placed in esteemed organizations like Amazon, Deloitte, Google, HSBC, Infosys, and many more.
St. Joseph's Degree and PG College provides student feedback system wherein the students are supposed to provide online feedback at the end of every semester on our faculty. Now this helps in effective training, learning and development. Our college has a student quality assurance cell, and apart from that, our college also organizes exhibitions for the students to take part and showcase their talents.
St. Joseph also encourages arts and talent. Similarly, we have the music room with the best choir group. We also have a spacious gym.
The college has an illustrious choir group which is Anna Domini, and it has participated in various competitions across the city and also won awards in the OU intercollegiate events and also first prize in the Little Flower High School Christmas event.
St. Joseph's Degree and PG College also possesses a gym to promote fitness of the students with trainer service with well-disciplined timings. The main vision and mission of Gymnasium is to identify and train students to encourage as international players as well as to encourage fitness exercises.
St. Joseph is the best choice chosen by the parents and the students, which gives them amazing experience of holistic learning and leads them to a bright future of the students.